Hello there, welcome back to Caltex Academy. In case you're new, my name is Julius. Today we're in episode number 2, where we're looking at also expansion of algebraic expression. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you shortcuts of expanding numbers with this kind to the power of 2, and then we will extend it to power 3. So if you're curious, you can go back to question number 1 from our previous episode and watch. I've just attached the card here or the link in the description of this video if you proceed from here. So without wasting time, let us dive in the next board. Now in this example, let me start with the shortcut and then we confirm the result with our normal expansion. Now we have here a question that says x plus 3 and the whole thing is raised power 2. We have to expand. So for the shortcut, we will get of course 3 terms here after expanding. So what we do is we square the first term and we keep the result here. So x square will result into this, and we square the second term, which is 3. So the square of 3 is 9. And then the term in the middle will be got by multiplying 2 by this first term and the second term. So 2 times x, we get 2x, and 2x times 3, we get 6x. So we have here positive 6x, but remember this one is also positive, and that is the shortcut. That's our result. Then if you go long, we'll also do the same like what we have done in question number 1 in our previous episode, where we repeat this one twice. So we have x plus 3 and then x plus 3. So the expansion of this one would be distributing the first number from the first bracket to the second bracket, and also the second number from the first bracket distributed to the second bracket, that is x plus 3. Now we can expand this. X times x, we get x squared, then x times 3, we get plus 3x, and then 3 times x, we also get 3x. Finally 3 times 3, we get 9. Simplifying terms in the middle, we'll have x squared plus 3x plus 3x making 6x, then plus our 9. So the expansion of also x plus 3 squared will give us this result. Exactly, that's what we have got here in our first method, that is the shortcut. So let's also do the same to the second one here. I think this time we're going to use only the shortcut, and then we come up with our results once. Now in our second number, we get 5x minus 2 and x squared equals to the first number here is having letter and a number 5. So we have to square both of them. The square of 5 is 25. Then the square of x is x squared. And then we multiply 2 by 5x, we get 10x times negative 2, that is negative 20x. And then the last term also is squared, and when we square negative 2, we get positive 4. And that is our result in one line. So you can see how powerful is this shortcut here. It will save us 10 of 10. Now let's move on to the next number, and that is our last number for this video. But before we conclude with that last number, I'm just going to give you some checkpoint. Go ahead and work out those checkpoints and then share your results in the comment section, and feel free also to WhatsApp me on this number on the screen. In our last number, we have 2x plus 1 cube. We can rewrite this one as 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 square. So employing our shortcut to this term with square, meanwhile we maintain our first bracket 2x plus 1, then this will result into first term being squared, we get 4x squared, multiply 2 times 2x, get 4x times 1, we get 4x, then squaring 1, we also get 1. So that is the expansion of this number squared using our short form. Then we can go ahead and distribute this first bracket and the first term to the second bracket. So we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, and the second term in our first bracket is 1 multiplies 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now let's keep expanding and you simplify. So since we have letters and numbers in the first bracket, and we can do that starting with the numbers, 2 and 4 makes 8, and then x and x squared makes x cubed. So 2 and 4 also is 8, then x times x, get x squared, and then 2x times 1 will get 2x. Now open it up with 1, is that the multiplying 1 go out and not change anything. Let's simply copy it down here, 4x squared plus 4x and then plus 1. Simplifying terms with the same powers or index, we will have the first one remains, the second one we have 4 somewhere here and 8 somewhere, with x raised power 2. So this one sums up to 12 x squared. Then terms with power 1, we have 2x plus 4x making 6x, and then plus our constant 1. Therefore, expanding 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 will yield us these results. So you can also go ahead and verify this working by expanding in a normal way where we don't use shortcut here. Expand just like what I've done here. We'll still get the same results. So before we move on, let us look at the checkpoint, and then as I mentioned earlier on, please remember to share your results in the comment section for us to know that you've really gone through and you have got the concept very well. So let's hop into the next page. Well, in this checkpoint, it says expand and simplify the following algebraic expressions. The first one is 2x plus 4 in brackets square, and then the second one is 1 minus 3x in bracket cubed. So go ahead and work them out, and then please share. Thank you for watching up to this time, and see you in the next video. Ciao.